Hello and welcome students. My name is Shampa. Today we will find the square root of a number using the long division method. We learned how to find the square root using the prime factorization. This long division method is relatively much simpler than that of the prime factorization. So we will understand this method with the help of two numbers. Say 841 and 5476. So let's begin with 841. First of all, we have to understand how to pair the numbers. We will pair the numbers from right to left this way, and we will make pairs of the numbers. This 8 is left behind, so we will leave it as it is. So we have made the pair of 4 and 1, and this 8 is left alone. So now we have 841 where 4 and 1 are pairs. So let's draw it like this. We will draw a structure like this, and now we will recall a least square number less than 8. So 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9. 9 is greater than 8, so we will not consider 9, we will consider 4. 4 is the square of 2. So we will write 4 here and we will write 2 here. Right? This is step 1. I repeat the step. This is the number 841. And we want to know the square root of 841. Which means we want to know there's a number and it has been squared and we have got 841. We want to know what is the number. So what is the number that is squared to get 841? So we are doing this long division. This is called long division method. So what was the first step? From right to left, we made pairs of numbers. We made the pair of 4 and 1 and 8 was left behind, so we left it as it is. That was step 1. And step 2 is we found the least square number, that is less than this number. We have 2 into 2, 4. 4 is the square of 2. So we will write 4 below 8 and we will write 2 here. Now let's do the subtraction. Now we will subtract 4 from this 8. We have got 4. And now these two numbers are in pair. They will come down. So we have 441. And this number will now be doubled and it will come here. So this was 2, this will become 4. I repeat one more time. The steps that we just followed. We have 2 into 2, 4. So we will write 4 here and we will write 2 here. And then 4 is subtracted from 8 and then we have got 4 and this pair will come down. So this is 441. Now, step 3. We have this 4 here, which we got by doubling this number. And now, the step 3 is we will concatenate a number here. And it has to be a whole number. We will concatenate a number here and we will multiply the number. There has to be a number, let's say x. And we will multiply this entire number with x. Let's do it. The point is we should be able to get this number or any number which is close to this. So here we have to use some judgment. We have to concatenate a number here, and this number has to be multiplied with the number that has been concatenated, and the result should be somewhere close to this, or if it is this, it's great. So here, if we apply some judgment, if we concatenate 1 here, we will have to multiply it with 1. So the answer is 41. It is nowhere close to 441. So our judgment says, we know from the knowledge of the study of square and square roots, we know that if we have 1 in the units place, then usually the square root has 1 or 9 in the units place. So let's write 9 here. So because we concatenated 9 here, we will multiply the entire number with 9. Let's do it. 9 into 9 is 81. 9 4s are 36 plus 8. Bingo! We have got 441. So we will place it here, and we will place this 9 here. And after placing this 9 here, we will place this 9 here. The same number has to be placed here. And the result is, the remainder is 0. Remainder has to be 0 if it is a perfect square. So 29 is the square root of 841. So the number we have got is 29. This is the square root of 841. Now let's understand the same thing with the help of another number. Here we have got 5476, 5476. From right to left, let's make pairs. We can make a pair of 76 and 54. And let's make the structure like this. And now we have to find a number, a square number less than 54. 7 will do. 7 into 7 is 49. So now we will subtract 49 from 54. We have got 5 here, and this pair will come down. We have 576. Now we will double this number, and it will come here. After it's been doubled, we have got 14. Now we have to think of a number that we will concatenate here. And then after it's been concatenated, we will multiply the entire number with that number, the number that has been concatenated. So let's use some judgment again. We want 576. And we know that it has got 6 at the units place. So its square root has to be something which will have either 4 or 6 in the units place. So let's try using 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 again. Plus 1, 17. Bingo. So if we place 4 here, we will get 576. And now we will place this 4 here. So 5476 is the square root of 74. So that was easy.